My teaching partner and I, her name is Miss Hanson. She teaches the other elective class. And so what we did was when we first had access to defined careers, we went into the module and looked at all the courses available to us. And we knew we couldn't use all of them. And so we wanted to pick and choose which ones would be the most engaging for the students, the most relevant for the students. And I know that in Defined Careers, they have middle school courses and they have high school courses. So we focus on the middle school courses, and here are the five middle school courses that we picked out from Defined Careers. So we start off using the registered nurse course, and it talked the project that it involved was teaching the kids how to take vital signs, whether it's using a thermometer to take temperature, whether it's using an oximeter to measure your blood oxygen level, using a stethoscope to hear the heartbeat or their respiratory system. And then they go up and they basically do a skit where, one person pretends to be the nurse and one person pretends to be the patient, and they are able to act out their vital sign taking skills for that course. And then we move into, there's a therapist course, and we talk a lot about mental and emotional health. Uh, Last semester, we had them record a podcast where the scenario was, parents came to you and they are moving their 12-year-old daughter, and they're teaching their daughter how to give her coping skills on moving to a new location and building new friends. And so they have to do that research on their own to help these parents in this time of transition in their lives. Then we go into dentistry. There's a dentist course in Defined Careers where the kids make 3D models of like dentures of their teeth, and they have to learn all the different types of teeth in their mouth. And I'm gonna just skip to the denture portion here. So here, we provided them with, red clay and marshmallows and toothpicks, and they are, get in groups and they figure out how to make these dentures, and they make posters of the different type of teeth, so that they, understand, oral anatomy. They also list off good oral hygiene practices for them to share with other students. Next, we have emergency medical technician. So the project in the Defined Career course was this organization called Stop the Bleed, where they have to make a video where they reenact, a EMT person coming to the rescue to stop the bleed of a victim, or someone who's bleeding. And so we talk about tourniquets. We talk about where to place the tourniquets and where to put pressure. We talk about different medications that can be used to help clot the blood. And so they're basically teaching younger students what to do in an emergency. If they see someone who's bleeding, they'll know what to do. And then one of our final projects is dermatology and skincare. If 12 and 13-year-olds, one of the most important things is how they look and their skin. And so they get in groups and they make skincare brochures, and we give them different ailments, different conditions that involve the skin that they have to research, and they have to give symptoms and treatments that involved in their brochure. So that was, kind of patient care, our first semester in a nutshell. Kids really get excited about all things with medicine. And then part of Defined Careers is that you can incorporate guest speakers as part of the different courses that you are taking. So what we've done here in at Isbell is, every course that we offered, we tried to bring in a guest speaker related to that course to come speak to the kids. So, here on the left, Oxnard has a dental hygiene program, and so part of our dentist course, we brought in Oxnard dental hygiene program to speak to the kids about, if they want to become a dental hygienist, what do they need to do? I don't have a picture here, but I brought in my own dentist to be a guest speaker, and so he talked about what you need to go to dentist school and, running your own practice and what that involves. And so that was really cool for the kids to see, that if you are not fit for, a regular 4-year university and a regular bachelor's degree, like you can go to dental tech school at a local community college or a dental school, and you can get a certificate that you can get, real world job experience right away and start making some really good money and doing something that you love.